And welcome back to another unboxing. Thanks for joining me, my friends. Today I am going to be unboxing the FUHONGRUI Solar Motion Sensor Wall Pack. This is a 60 LED, save energy. What we got here? Solar lights outdoor, waterproof motion sensor wall pack. All right. Who wants to see what's in the box? Let's check it out. So this boasts wireless connection. It should be solar power and then motion sensor security light. So this, I believe, is plastic. All right, let's pull it out of here and see what we got here. Okay, that's it for the box. Check this out here. So we got it says microwave radar sensor solar light system. Okay. Has mounting instructions, how to use it, on-off button, this actual charging statute, and working times within an angle of sunlight illumination. Okay. This battery's got about a 5-year lifespan. Looks pretty cool, my goodness. Okay, let's pull this off here. It's got this is just a foam here. Got a case. You have a nice sturdy metal mounting bracket here. The other foam piece there. A bunch of screws. Okay, for mounting purposes. And what we got? Let's check out the light itself. Ooh, that's a little sharp there. Not necessarily, it's like plastic, but it's a little serrated. Okay, so it weighs, I'd say a couple pounds maybe. It's not very heavy. I'm going to take this plastic part off the light if I can. Okay. It's got this plastic light protector stuff on it. You don't want to come off there, some serious plastic stuff. Alright, now we're getting it. There we go. Okay, so how many LEDs are there? There's a lot. There's like a 3-strip LED bar in there, if you guys can see. And there's just a bunch of LEDs in there in a strip. So as you can see on this back part here, this is all a big old solar panel. And that's pretty sweet. I'm wondering if it has to be in direct sunlight or not, because I want to mount this on my wall, like under the eaves though, you know? So I'm assuming that it mounts something like this, and where the sunlight can hit on there, and then you can get your light to get it to charge the batteries, and then have the light coming out when you have the. So if I put it up on the wall under my eave, I don't think it's going to get sunlight, so I'm going to have to deal with that issue. But definitely, I'm kind of excited to see how bright this thing is. I wonder if it has any charge right now. If I can just turn it on. Let's have a button here. Try to figure out. Okay, there's one little button here on the side, and I think that is what turns it on here. Check out the instructions real quick here. Charge energy under sunlight, 68 hours, automatic, turn on energy saving mode, dusk to dawn. That's cool. And it has a 10 to 20 foot radius of 180 degrees of people that walking by it's going to turn on. And an energy saving mode after people walk after 30 seconds. So unfortunately, I don't believe it has a charge right now, or I could set this up and at least see if it's going to turn on. But we'll leave it out in the sunshine. And I'm going to be doing an installation video as well as a product review video too. This is just the unboxing, showing you what you get in the box. I think this runs about $25 on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description below. You guys can check it out if you want to. And thanks for watching this review. We will see you next time. Everyone have a great day out there. And take care.